So the technique that you can use to power up and strengthen the skeletal system is like hand clasping technique. Very simple. All you gotta do is pressing on just beyond the knuckles. So this is the point here. So just beyond the knuckles, so slightly beyond the knuckles. So you can stimulate both of the knuckles from both hands simultaneously. So this is how it looks. So you're pressing deep enough to feel the bone and the muscle underneath. Press it downwards. Press, hold on for a couple of minutes. If you start to feel your hands quivering because you are tensing up the muscles, then loosen up your grip a little bit and then squeeze a bit. Loosen up, squeeze, so that you don't get fatigue. So once you're done, after the 2 minutes, let go. You can see, you're putting your finger mark, or those of you with long nails, put your fingernail mark there. Shows that you're putting good pressure. So try out this technique to strengthen the skeletal system. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.